Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need clear pony beads, white pony beads, and some yellow pony beads. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. And what you're going to do is you're going to start off by putting 12 yellow beads on your string, and then you're going to tie it and leave a little here because when we're finished we'll tie the two ends together. On the other end of the string you're going to put your needle. You're going to take your needle and you're going to go through this yellow bead here. And then we're going to add on 5 white beads. And you're going to go through every other yellow bead. We're going to add 5 white. And then we're going to go through every other yellow. And you're going to want to pull this tight. And we're just going through every other yellow. And we're always adding the 5 white. Okay, this is our last one. So we're going to go, this time we're going to go through this yellow. And then up these 2 white. And we're going to add 5 white. And we're going to go through this white bead right here. And you're going to get a clear bead. And we're going to go up this white one. You're going to add 5 white. And you're going to go through this white one. You're going to get a clear. And you're going to go through this white. You're going to add 5 white. You're going to go through this white bead. You're going to add a clear. And you're going to go through this white. You're going to add 5 white. And you're going to go through this white bead. You're going to add a clear. And you're going to go through this white. You're going to add 5 white. And you're going to go through this white bead. You're going to add 1 clear. And you're going to go through this white bead. You're going to add 5 white. And you're going to go through this white bead. And we're going to add 1 clear. This is our last bead. We're going to go through this white, through this white, these 2, and this yellow. And then we're going to go through 1 more yellow. We're going to add a yellow and go through all 3 of these. You're going to add another yellow, and you're going to go through these 3. You're going to add another yellow, and you're going to go through these 3 and this one here. Now you have those 3 beads. We need to connect them, so we're going to make a circle. We're going to go through that one, this one and this one. And you're going to pull that really tight. And now we need to go through these two yellow. And I'm going to flip this over because that's where the other string is. And we need these two to meet so we can tie it. So what you're going to do is just follow all these yellow beads around until you get over here. Okay, and you go ahead and tie that off. Okay guys, that's what it looks like. Now you can do all kinds of things with this. You can put it on a bracelet, a necklace, an outfit, whatever, a hair tie, whatever you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.